Here is my 2021 Kohler Kingston that it's been over a year since I installed it. And let's see how it did. Let's give it a flush. Not the best flush, but it's pretty cool and I like it. So it does pretty good on normal use. I've never clogged it so far. Never clogged this thing, which is pretty good. And the bowl rinse is not the greatest, but it's not the worst either. There's worse out there. I'm gonna give you another flush, except I'm gonna hold down the handle. I like the long flush too. Well, I installed this toilet over a year ago, and so far it's doing pretty good. Had no problems there. I'm gonna check the tank after the tank is full. Alright, here are the tank parts. Got a handle, fill valve, and aqua piston. For original parts, still going strong after I installed it for a year. But there's a problem. Not because the aqua piston sucks, it's because when I flush it, for some reason, it holds up. And not many Kohler toilets do that. And most of the time it stays down, but I'll show you what it looks like, how it should close. That's how it should close, like this for most of the time, because for some reason the chain gets caught on this and it causes to run constantly, and it's because the chain gets stuck like somewhere around here, like right here. Well, good tank parts, but I did some minor changes for the chain. Like, I did do this chain right here, and I just changed it a little bit so it doesn't hold up as much. Like, I mean, the aqua piston stays open every time you flush it. But other than that, I've had no problems with this toilet. It's pretty cool. Well, I'm going to give it one more flush to end the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and comment and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye.